I'm going to walk you through how to submit the assignment for the 30 descriptions of colors. This assignment is a text entry, so I'm going to need to make sure that I double space, and I may have to do that manually by clicking Enter, Enter whenever I complete my assignment, anytime it's in a text box. I have put my name, the assignment, the date, and I've included my word count. I can refer you back to that page in the Start Here module and in the study modules that explain how to figure word count. I've made my definition of noun and adjective. I'm not going to do that for you. You can do that for yourself. Now, I'm going to pick 30 colors to describe, and I'm going to include an image for each one of those. So now I'm on number 1, and I'm going to go up here to embed an image, and I'm going to go to Flickr, where I can find free images fast and easy. Let's say I want to start off with something that's in the red category. You can see all of these images pop up that are red. If I want to spend some time, I can, do some other things, but let's say that I want to go with this one. I click it. I click Update down here. This update is right here. Click Update. That adds it to my box. Now you can see this is way too big. So I simply take the toggles. I make it a manageable size. And I look at it for a minute and I think, what are 2 or more words that describe this image, this color of red? I don't know, for some reason I just sort of see it as something that you wear on a prom date, so I named it Prom Date Red. Now I go on to the next one. Do you see that? I just put my cursor here and clicked Enter, and there I am. And we'll call that double spaced, since obviously there's going to be a double space between this and that. Now let's go back and find something new. I'm going to embed an image. I'm going to go to Flickr. This time I want to find a purple because I'm in that kind of a mood. Okay. Getting a lot of flowers. I want to get away from flowers, so I'm going to type in purple royalty. And I'm going to look through these until I find one. I'll come back as soon as I find one that I like. I'm going to pick this one. And again, I go down here, I click Update, puts it in there. It's way too big. I'm going to take the toggles. I'm going to make it the same size as the one above, so it'll all be pretty. Well, I'll get it the same size as I can. I see it's a different color. Okay? And I'm going to call this one Jimi Hendrix Purple Haze. Maybe you know Jimi Hendrix, maybe you don't. But that's an example of that. Now let's go and say I want to come up with, and I'm thinking of a color already, but I just want to find the color that looks like it. So let's go over, again, we're going to embed an image. We're going to go to Flickr. I'm going to type in coffee because I want to come up with that kind of a color. Oh, there's all kinds of things. Now you can see the difference of colors of coffee in here, so I'm going to pick the one that I like, and I'm not restricted to just these because I can use this and scroll down and see all kinds of colors of coffee, and I'm going to pick the one that I like best. I like that. So I do that, come down here, click Update. Again, it's going to be way too big. You saw that I just clicked inside the image, grabbed the little toggles, and I'm going to call this one, and I'm going to call it Pumpkin Cappuccino. You do this exact same thing. Go through and do this for 30 different colors. Remember to include, after you've done that, you'll be able to get that word count. Put that in here. Remember to include your personal definition of what is a noun, your personal definition of what is an adjective, and as soon as you are finished with this text box entry, you will post the reply or click Enter, whichever comes first. Right? And that's how you do this pretty little color assignment. That concludes this tutorial. Have a good time with this and make it all neat and pretty and do a good job. Again, this is a text entry. Make sure that it is all formatted correctly.